Yeah, guys, as you can see, those are fox bats. So many. Oh man, too many, but this area is quite nice, peaceful, very beautiful. Come on, let's check what's going here. Oh, look at the birds. Is this some parrots or what? So anyone who loves birds, this is a good, great sight. All type of birds. The nature, the flowers are amazing. Just a wonderful area for you to be with your family. Do some hiking just inside the city. Get some fresh air. Look, it's a jungle. It's absolutely amazing. What an amazing jungle right in the middle of Australia. Wow. Unbelievable. Yeah guys, come with me. Check this out. Let's see how much you can discover. Oh, it's a beauty. Beautiful. Yeah, people, boys and girls, lads. Wow, breathtaking in all sense. Oh, we got an ibis bird over there, and that's a rose garden. How beautiful. For all you nature lovers, this is just amazing. So for all you who look for peace, I guess you found it. Oh my, look at that. Look at Camellia Gardens. Is this what you expected? Is this what you expected? Camellia Gardens. Oh, the beauty, the birds. The birds are all over. Oh, all the way far down. Let's take another route down here. Oh my goodness, it's so clean. The air is so fresh. All the scenes are so beautiful. Just look at that. They know what they were doing. Whoever planted this knows exactly what they were doing. More bats. Yeah. This is the area. Striking. For some views here. Oh, Camellia Gardens gave us what we came here to look for. Outstanding and remarkable.